morning. I am your host, Shane, with Bitcoin Crypto News Online. You can see I am on the road, but wanted to put something out just to comment on what's going on. I'm sure you probably all agree that Bitcoin is going up. It's wonderful to see. This is what we've been waiting for, that we would go up and stay in a bull market. That seems to be mostly confirmed. Yes, we could have some more dips, but the interesting thing that we're seeing is while a week ago or so, or few weeks back, Bitcoin was going down with the market and they were correlating together very well, actually. And now Bitcoin is not correlating with the market at all. And it looks like we're getting closer and closer to a possible cut in interest rate, which, as we've spoken, would be good for Bitcoin. The world money supply has gone up, even though we're not really printing like crazy in the U.S. As what we would under other political circumstances. Um, Politics are totally involved in what's going on. Not that I agree with all the manipulation of currency, but I just don't believe in the fiat dollar at all. And we've come to expect certain manipulative measures to take place in our currency here in the United States. And under any other administration, Powell would have raised or lowered interest rates twice already at a minimum, and he hasn't done it at all. So that just tells me that it's totally political, and that's the way the world is. It's always political. Trump is doing political things. Other people are doing political things. That's just the way it is. So, um, life in the big city. So, yeah, interesting things. ETH is losing its strength and power. There's still a lot of projects and things going on with ETH, but it does look like it has some upgrades coming. They are going to take a long time to come to maturity. It's got a lot of people trading out of ETH for Solana. Is that the right thing to do? I don't know. Had really felt like ETH would come back up, but it does seem like a lot of people are bailing on it. So if you have any kind of little bags of ETH. By the way, I just want to remind you, if you have not been listening to this show long, I am a family-friendly show. I am not going to use the kind of language that you're going to be grabbing at your phone and going, oh my goodness, that language. I don't want my kids to hear that. Or I'm in a place where that's just inappropriate. So I am not going to ever let you down on that. That is my motto. So if you don't like that, then go to one of the other channels. They'll give you a plethora of colorful metaphors and filthy talk. So you can have all you want there. Not that I can't do that. Not that I'm not capable. I'm human just like anyone else. But I can restrain myself. I have control over my tongue, and I appreciate that this is not the place for that. I listen to podcasts sometimes, and it's a bummer when you're listening to someone and you think that they're going to be, family safe, and they're not. But anyway, thank you for the likes and subscribing. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin. I'm still buying, still stacking, and things are looking relatively good. I've noticed kind of a trend over the last few weeks. You probably have too. It does look like we see a kind of a boost over the weekend, and then it does kind of level off again during the week. But this week it has been a little more positive through the week, so that is good. And we'll do an episode where we look at the charts and all of that stuff here in the near future pretty soon. I appreciate you guys. Just wanted to celebrate with you a little bit about Bitcoin coming up. Of course, the alts are still lagging, most of them. So be very selective with those and be very careful. Put in your stop losses and all that good stuff. Looks like some people are actually commenting here. So, yes, I will look at your messages. One of them's in a different language here. Hello, Batman. All right. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Goodbye.